Good morning, children. We have to learn about government and economy. For the last 5 days, we have been learning about government and economy. For the last 5 days, we have been learning or we have been studying about government and economy. Now we have to study about economic reforms. We have learned about economic reforms. Economic reforms are known as LPG programs during 1990-91. During this period, what happened? During this particular period, economic reforms or LPG programs were made. During this particular time, LPG programs or economic development programs were made or economic reform programs were made. This is known as LPG program. Why it has been known as LPG program that we have seen? Why this was known as LPG program or why this has been known as LPG program that we have seen? Liberalization is there. Liberalization. It is known as liberalization. What is the meaning of liberalization that we have to think? What is liberalization? Liberalizing all the rules and regulations. Liberalizing all the rules and regulations are known as liberalization. What is the meaning? Liberalizing all the rules and regulations means government will provide more encouragement to all the industrial owners for starting their industries. Liberalized policies. Then privatization. Privatization means, what is the meaning of privatization? We have to think. Giving more and more scope to the private field. Giving more and more scope to the private field. To invest their money in the industrial ventures are known as privatization. And what is the meaning? Globalization. What is the meaning of globalization? We had studied in our earlier classes. What is the meaning of globalization? Globalization means, what is meant by globalization? I have told you. Cross-border investment of money, cross-border transfer of technology, cross-border distribution of goods and services, all are known as globalization. That we have studied. What is the meaning of this one? We have to study or we have studied what is the meaning of all these things. What is that? During the earlier period, what was that? During the earlier period, What actually happened? During the earlier period, in order to invest money in one country from another country, what is that? In order to invest money from one country to another country, so many rules and regulations were there. Now it has been removed. Then another thing is, in order to distribute the goods of one country in another country, so many rules and regulations were there. So all these rules and regulations were removed as a result of globalization. So during 1990-91 period, LPG programs has been introduced in the land of LPG programs has been introduced in the land of India by the government of India, LPG programs. So what I told you, economic reforms. What were the major or important economic reforms which were introduced in India by the government of India? What were the economic reforms? During 1990-91 period, LPG programs were introduced in India by the government of India. LPG programs. LPG programs were introduced. What is the meaning of LPG programs? We don't know. What is the meaning of LPG program, or what is meant by LPG programs? That we have to. What is the meaning of LPG programs? That we have to think. What is meant by LPG programs? L means liberalization. During the olden days, what was that? During the olden days, in order to transfer goods from one country to another country, what was there? In order to transfer money from one country to another country, so many reforms were there. Or in order to transfer items from one country to another country, more restrictions were there. But as a result of liberalization policy, as a result of or as a consequence of liberalization policy, what happened? Private industries also were able to do their business without more and more problems. That is liberalization. Privatization. What is that? Private industries were given more and more participation. Private industries were given more and more participation in the business field. In the beginning, government field was given more priority in the business. Now, private field also was given more priority. Globalization. As a result of globalization, what happened? As a result of globalization, what actually happened? Investment of money by a foreign country in another country became very, very easy. Investment of money by a foreign country in another country became very, very easy. That is globalization. And sale of goods by one country in another country became very easy. This is another speciality of globalization. Sale of items by one country in another country became very easy as a result of globalization. And transfer of technology from one country to another country became very easy. So, as a result of globalization, the world has become a single administrative unit. As a result of or as a consequence of globalization, the world has become a single administrative unit. The world has become a single village. This is known as globalization. So, LPG programs are there here. LPG. During 1990-91 period, LPG programs are introduced by whom? By the government of India. See, now we have to learn what are the procedures the government have taken in order to reform Indian economy. Investment. Government of India made so many attempts. What is that? Government of India made so many attempts to attract foreign investment. In order to attract foreign investment, Government of India made all the rules and regulations very simple. Because during the olden days, it was very difficult to attract foreign investment because all the governments have made their own rules and regulations for foreign investment. If a foreign country was planning to invest money in India, it was impossible during the olden days. So during the olden days, it was impossible to invest money by one country in another country. It was impossible to invest money by one country in another country. It was highly impossible. It was highly impossible for a foreign country to invest money in another country. But because of economic development programs which are taken by the government of India nowadays, foreign investment has become very easy. Government reduced all the legal formalities. Regarding investment of money in another country, that is another specialty. Export. What is the meaning of export and import? We know. What is the meaning of export and import? Import means sending item from one country to another country. That is export. For example, India is sending some food items from India to England. That is known as our export. The total value of the export is 100 crores, for example. India is sending 100 crores food grains from India to England. That is our export. On the other hand, India is importing some machines from Japan. For that, we have to give money to Japan. So, for the correct development of which one? For the correct development of an area or for the correct development of a nation, export should be more and import should be less. What does it mean? For export, we have to give more money. Yet for the purpose of export, we have to give more money. For the purpose of export, we are getting money from foreign countries. That is good for a nation. But in the case of import, what is that? In the case of import, we have to give money to a foreign country. So, in order to know whether a country is developing or not, we have to check whether the export of the country is more or the import of the country is more. If the export of the country is more, what is that? If the export of the country is more, what will be there? That shows that the country is getting more money from foreign countries. If the import of a nation is more, that shows that that nation must give more money to a foreign country. So, for the rapid development of a nation, export should be more and import should be less. This is the real specialty of export and import. Then, banking sector. Banking. Banking sector. Banking. Banking sector should be improved. Or improvement of the banking sector is an important policy of improvement of the banking sector is an important policy that is followed by the government of India. Why? For the development of industrial field, for the development of agriculture field, for the development of trade and commerce, for the development of transport and communication, what is that? Money is necessary, money. So, Government of India decided to provide what it said. Government of India decided to provide more encouragement to the banking sector of India. Government decided to increase the power of banking system. Government of India decided to increase the total number of banks in the land of India. And what is that? Government of India decided to start more and more nationalized bank branches in the land of India. Then taxes, sector tax. Government of India decided to reform the tax structure of India. Government of India. What does it mean? In the beginning, industries were not at all able to start more industries because tax structure was very bad. Government began to provide more tax to the industrial field. Now, according to modern method, government decided to reduce the total magnitude of tax. Government made attempts or government decided to reduce the total tax structure of India. Government began to provide relief. Government began to provide relief to the tax structure of India. Government began to introduce more and more tax concessions in the case of industries. Government interference. Government interference. In all the nations of the world, government will interfere. In all the nations of the world, what will be the government will interfere in the day-to-day activities of all the industries. It may be a private industry or it may be a public industry. Whatever may be the case, all the countries of the world are interfering in the industrial field of that nation. But now government of India decided that they will not interfere in the industrial field of India. It may be a private field or it may be a public field. Whatever may be, government decided not to interfere in the industrial field of India. Government decided that they will not interfere in the industrial field of India. Private field. Private field. What is the meaning of private field? Private. Public sector is there in the land of India. And the private sector also is there in the land of India. India is a mixture of private field and public field. Both of the fields are there in the land of India. Both of the fields are there in the land of India. So, for the rapid economic development of India, what is that? For the rapid economic development of India, what is that? For the rapid economic development of India, Government of India decided to encourage private field or private industries of India. These are the programs adopted by the government for the economic development of India. What is first one? Government of India decided to encourage foreign investment. Government gave all the facilities. Government gave all the facilities to the foreign countries to make investment in the land of India. Export and import policies. Government of India decided to liberalize export and import policies of India to increase export and to increase import also. Banking system. According to new economic policy of Government of India decided to start more and more banking system in the land of India. Government decided to frame more and more banking system in the land of India. Government decided. Government increased the power of Indian banks. Government decided to start more and more banks also in the land of India. Tax structure. Before LPG program, economic development programs. The tax structure of India was very bad. The tax condition or the tax structure of India was very bad before economic reforms program. But as a result of economic reforms program, government told that tax should be reduced. Then only industries will be developed. Interference. As a result of economic reforms, government decided to reduce government interference in the field of industries. Private field. India is a nation in which private industries are there at the same time. Public industries are also there. Private industries are there and public industries are also there. So, government decided to increase the role of private industries in the land of India. Modern programs which are introduced by Government of India. Prime Minister's Fasal Sadak Yojana. Prime Minister's Gram Sadak Yojana. Prime Minister's Gram Sadak Yojana. What is the meaning of this one? Prime Minister's Ram Sadak Yojana means Prime Minister's Gram Sadak Yojana means Government of India made so many programs for the development of roads in the village areas. This was an important idea of Mahatma Gandhi. Once Mahatma Gandhi clearly told that the Atma or soul of India is there in the villages of India. It is there in the villages of India. What is the meaning? Majority of the Indians are living in the village areas of India, majority. And majority of the Indians are doing agricultural work only. Majority of the Indians are living in the village areas and majority of the Indians are doing agriculture in the village areas. So, Mahatma Gandhi told that, what is that? Mahatma Gandhi told that for the development of India, we got to develop the village areas of India. So, in order to develop the village areas, we want roads. Prime Minister's Grand Sadak Yojana was started by Central Government of India in order to construct, in order to make more and more roads in the village areas of India. Next one is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. What is the meaning of this one? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. The name itself shows, what is that? The name itself shows what is the meaning of this one. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, which means in the rural areas of India, unemployment problem is there. What is unemployment problem? Lack of employment chances are there in the village areas. In the village areas of India, people are not at all getting which one? People are not at all getting employment chances. When they are not at all getting employment chances, what is that? When they are not at all getting employment chances, they will not get money. When they are not getting money, what will be there? When they are not getting money, they cannot purchase necessary items. So, unemployment is a major problem of village areas. In order to provide more employment chances to whom? More employment chances to the people of rural areas, village areas. What is that? NGNREGS program has been started by the government of India only for providing employment chances to the people of India. Another program is Prime Minister's Fasal Bima Yojana. What is the meaning of this one? Prime Minister's Fasal Bima Yojana. What is the meaning of this one? Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of India. Agriculture is known as the major or main occupation of the people of India. Agriculture. Two types of cropping patterns are there in the land of India. What is that? One is Kharif crop. What is Kharif crop? What is the meaning of Kharif crop? Kharif crops are those crops which we are cultivating during the rainy season. June, July month we will cultivate, and at the end of October or November we will harvest. Such a type of crops are known by what name? Such a type of crops are known as Kharif crop. Rabi crop means we will start cultivation during the winter season and we may harvest after so many months. That is Rabi crop. Sometimes Kharif crop and Rabi crop may be destroyed because of pralayam sometimes, or because of absence of rain. Drought also agriculture may be destroyed. So this program, but Prime Minister's Fasal Bima Yojana, is providing, what is it providing? Prime Minister's Fasal Bima Yojana is providing insurance facility to the farmers to protect their kharif crop and rabi crop. Another one is known as Prime Minister's Krishi Sanchai Yojana. Prime Minister's Krishi Sanchai Yojana. Prime Minister's Krishi Sanchai Yojana. What is Krishi? You know it, agriculture. Prime Minister's Krishi Sanchai Yojana is aiming at providing irrigation to the agricultural land of India. It aims at providing irrigation to the agricultural land of India. It aims at providing irrigation to the agriculture. What is meaning? Indian agriculture, I have told you about Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture is a gambling in monsoon. Sometimes rainfall may be more. Sometimes the rainfall may be less. That is speciality of Indian agriculture. That is the real speciality of Indian agriculture. Sometimes it may be more, sometimes it may be less. So, we cannot do our agriculture work by depending on which one rainfall. So, Indian government is planning to provide irrigation to Indian agriculture. Artificial irrigation they are planning to provide. So, Government of India asked the farmers to borrow loan from the bank and thereby they can start to dig borewell or open well. They can install motor pump set also. Thereby they can provide water to agriculture land. See, dear children, once more I will tell you. What are the modern programs? What are the modern programs which is started by the government of India? What are the modern programs which is started by the government of India for the development of India? It is known as Prime Minister's Gram Sadak Yojana. Prime Minister's Gram Sadak Yojana is aiming at providing more money for the construction of roads in the village areas. They aim at providing more roads for the development of village areas of India. Roads. They aim at providing more roads for the development of the village area. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme or Act. This act was made by the government of India. This act was really made by the government of India in order to provide more employment chances to the people of village areas. Because in village areas, the problem of unemployment is more. Prime Minister's Fasal Bima Yojana. This is another program that is started by the government of India in order to protect the agricultural field of India. There are two types of crops which we are cultivating. Two varieties of crops the government of India is cultivating, or the farmers of India is cultivating two types of crops, kharif crop and rabi crop. Kharif crops are those crops which we are cultivating during the beginning time of rainfall. We are cultivating kharif crop during the beginning time of rainfall. June, July month we may cultivate this one. And we may harvest during the time of winter season. Rabi crop is another one which we are starting to cultivate during winter season. After 6 months we will harvest the crop. But sometimes Rabi crop and Kharif crop may be destroyed. Sometimes, not always. Sometimes Kharif crop and Rabi crop may be destroyed. During that time, Government of India is planning to provide insurance to the farmers. Prime Minister's Krishi Sanchari Yojana, another program which was started by the government. Prime Minister's Krishi Sanchari Yojana was started by the government in order to provide more irrigation facilities to the farmers of India. Dear children, I do hope that you are able to follow this one. You observe this video. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.